Changing your password on Hulu is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to securely update your password. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Hulu website or open the Hulu app. Enter your current login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon unnamed in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select account. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled account or account information. Click on this to proceed to your account details. Step 4. Change password. Find a section for password management. Click on the option to change your password. You will typically need to enter your current password followed by your new password. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new password, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully updated. Now you can log into Hulu with your new password. Remember to keep your password secure and consider using a password manager for added security.